How's your garden holding up this summer? Seriously, when was the last time you really checked what's thriving and what's not? Today, I'm walking you through a midsummer garden check so you can spot problems early, boost your harvest, and save your plants before the heat gets the best of them. If you want more real-life garden tips that actually work, hit that subscribe button and let's dig in. First up, give your garden a visual health check. Take a slow walk and scan everything. Look for yellowing leaves, wilting plants, stunted growth, or any chewed-up foliage. If your tomatoes have yellow leaves at the bottom, it might be a sign of nitrogen deficiency, or maybe you're watering too much. Notice plants that wilt during the hottest part of the day, but bounce back by evening? That's usually heat stress, not a lack of water. Keep your eyes open. Sometimes the smallest signs tell the biggest stories. Next, it's time for a pest and disease patrol. Flip over those leaves and check the stems. This is where aphids and spider mites love to hide. Powdery mildew? You'll spot it as a white, dusty layer on leaves, especially on squash and cucumbers. It thrives in humid, crowded conditions. My go-to: fix neem oil or a quick homemade spray. 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 quart of water, and a drop of dish soap. Spray in the morning and be consistent. Let's talk watering, because honestly, most gardens struggle here in the summer. Don't just look at the soil surface. Dig down 2 or 3 inches. If it's still moist, you're good. Water deeply and early in the morning so less evaporates. If water runs right off, your soil might be hydrophobic. Add compost and mulch to keep moisture where your plants need it. Now check your productivity. Are your beans and peppers producing as expected? If your zucchini looks great but there's no fruit, it's probably a pollination problem. Try hand pollinating with a small paintbrush, or plant more flowers nearby to attract bees. If yields are low, make sure your crops are getting enough sun and nutrients. Before you finish, grab a simple soil test kit. Check your pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. Amend your soil based on real data, not just garden gossip, and jot down what worked and what flopped. Trust me, these notes are pure gold for your next planting season. So here's the bottom line. Your summer garden is kind of like a midterm report card. Check in now, make smart tweaks, and you'll finish the season strong. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and drop your biggest summer gardening struggle in the comments. I'd love to help out.